Hello, and thank you for choosing Cox Reels for your hose cord and cable reel solutions. Cox Reels is the world leader in hose cord and cable reels. This is our 1125 series, and continuing with one of the key features and an explanation of it is our welded frame. So we're the last guys left that still weld all of our frames. No bolts, no loosening up of the reel, no bolting for ease of maintenance or anything else. Strictly CNC robotically welded. The advantage of a CNC robotic frame, very simple. The frame itself is its own support system. So our frame doesn't need any of the elements of the reel. It doesn't need the barrel or the plumbing or the discs to add additional support. The frame by itself is one solid mass supporting the use of the reel. Welded frames, it'll last forever. Welded frames, no problems, no issues, no maintenance required. Cox Reels, always building the best.